Hello students, today we will be going to learn about how to make HTML program and how to run our HTML program on any browser. You can use Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, whatever you have in any browser you can run your HTML program. So let's start with HTML program. HTML program comprises of two types of elements. One is container element and another is empty element. Now see here I have started with less than and greater than symbol, and inside that I have written HTML. This is known as tag. This is open tag, and whenever we use a slash operator here, so this is known as close tag. So every HTML program must be with open tag and close tag of HTML. So now let's save our program. So I am selecting the drive, suppose F, where I am creating a folder, name of the folder HTML, and in the HTML folder prog1 dot htm. .htm is the default extension of HTML. You may give .htm or .html as per your wish and save. So our program is saved now. So HTML is a container element. Next container element we will use is head. So in head we will use title. Title is also a container element. Inside title, whatever text we will type, that will be displayed on the web browser. So here I am writing testing and suppose dot slash title. So Control S for save. Then I am opening my Microsoft Edge where I will give the path. So my file was in F drive. So F colon slash folder name was HTML slash I had given prog. Let's see the name again. Prog underscore one I had given. So here also prog underscore one dot htm. So see, we have written testing dot dot dot. So on the title bar of the Microsoft Edge, testing dot 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 is displaying. Next, let's give a heading. Suppose here our first HTML program. Control S for save. Now let's see how it looks like. So see, I have saved, it is not showing. Don't be afraid. We have to refresh the page. Either you can click here or you can press Ctrl R. So see, our first HTML program is displaying on the heading. Now I want to make this heading at the center and I make it little bit, the font size little bit bigger. So there are 6 heading styles. You can use those heading styles for giving heading. So I am using here H1. I'm writing align equals to center. H1 is the name of the tag and this is the attribute. So align center because I want to make that center, and then H1 is also a container element. So I must close H1. Let's Control S. So Control R. See, our first HTML program is coming in the middle. It's at the central location of our web page. So next, let's underline this text. So the tag for underline is U. So first here U I have started. So after this here I must end U. Now let's see. See, underline is coming. Now after that our heading is over, so we will start the entire program inside the body. So body is also a container element. So in body we are writing slash body. So whatever we will write, so I am writing, suppose this is our first web program. We are learning HTML codes. So I have saved, refreshed. So see, this is our first web program. We are learning HTML codes. Now, suppose I want to make this, we are learning HTML codes at the next line. So you see here, I have pressed enter. See, I have saved. I am refreshing here, but it's not going down. Once more you see, one more enter I have given. I have refreshed here after saving. See, it's not going down. So for line break, we have a tag. So the name of the tag is BR. BR is an empty element in HTML. Means BR is their opening tag is there, but there is no closing tag for BR. So this is an example of empty element. Earlier whatever we were using, HTML, HTML, ended. Head we have opened, head we have closed. Title we have opened, title we have closed. So these are all container elements. So the first empty element we learned today is beer. So this used for line breaking. So now see here, our line broken. One more beer I am giving here. Press Ctrl S and see. So another line broken. Next, I am teaching you how to set font color to your text. For font color, we have a tag called font. This tag is also an empty element. Font is also a container element, not empty element, container element. So font. So in font, we have some attribute like color, COLOR. I am giving suppose color blue. Control S. So see here, color blue is coming. So it is coming blue color. Next, size. Size equals to suppose say 20. So let's refresh. See, this is our first web program. The size increased. Next is we have face. So we have different kinds of faces are there. You can check from format font. These are the faces available you will be finding here in the font. See here, Verdana, Webdings, okay, Times New Roman, so Arial. So these are the things available there. I am using here face Verdana. Control S. Now see here, this face changed. So this is about our font tag. Up to this much today I am keeping. So practice these things at home. Try it at home. In the next class, we will learn more about HTML. Thank you very much. Bye bye.